In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DecisionPoint breadth Swenlin Trading Oscillator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. We'll walk through this together from inside TradingView so you can follow along on your own chart. By the end, you'll have the DecisionPoint breadth Swenlin Trading Oscillator added, visible, and ready to customize. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any symbol and any time frame is fine. We just need a chart window to work with. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the middle or slightly to the left above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. When the panel opens, you'll see several sections like built-ins, public library, and so on. At the top of that panel, there's a search bar. Click on the search field so it's active. This is where we're going to type in the name of the indicator so we can find it quickly instead of scrolling through a long list. In the search bar, start typing DecisionPoint breadth Swenlin Trading Oscillator. You don't have to type the entire phrase perfectly. Usually, entering DecisionPoint breadth or Swenlin Trading Oscillator will be enough for TradingView to bring it up as a suggestion. Once you see the full name of the indicator appear in the list below the search bar, click on it. As soon as you do, TradingView will add the oscillator to your chart, typically in a new panel below the main price chart. Now that the indicator is on your chart, the next step is to adjust its settings so it fits your style and is easy to read. Move your mouse over the indicator panel where the Swenlin Trading Oscillator is displayed. You should see a small gear icon appear, usually in the upper left corner of that panel. Click on this gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings window, you'll find options such as inputs, style, and visibility. Take a moment to look through these. You can adjust things like colors, line thickness, and any input parameters provided by the script. Small changes, like increasing the line thickness or choosing high contrast colors, can make the oscillator much easier to interpret during live analysis. Finally, if you haven't already signed up for TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features while using this indicator, use the link in the video description to sign up. Once that's done, you'll be ready to fully take advantage of the DecisionPoint breadth Swenlin Trading Oscillator inside TradingView.